Hello guys, wagwan, welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. So in today's video I'll be doing an update on these toes. A while back I did an extreme toenail transformation. You guys should go and check it out. I'll be putting a little snippet at the top so you guys can see, so go check that video out because I think it was pretty good. So today guys, I won't be doing an excessive amount of talking. I want you guys just to watch because I just want you guys to watch because it's an updated video of her toes. So let me give you a brief history. Well, it's not a history, let me give you a timeline. So let me give you a timeline. So my client here, who I'll be calling a bad client because she's just a bad client. She doesn't do anything on time, which it's a struggle. No matter how many speech that I, comments like speech that I come up with, it ain't gonna work. So this client, she's coming from I'm going to scale it. So she's coming from level 0 and level 10. She's currently at level 5. I will give her that. She doesn't get her toes done often, and I'm trying to work it out of her to come and get her toes done, because if you guys go back and check my video out, you realize the condition that her toes were in versus to now, because her toes are looking mighty healthier than before. But I must say, the toes that was on the extreme toenail transformation video, those toes were looking much better than when I started out. So yes guys, go and check that video out. I won't be doing a lot of bickering in this video. I just want you guys to just see what I'm going. See the pre, catch the pre. So the pre is that the reason why this client has come back to me, or why this bad client has come back to me, is because the toenail that I created for her, as you can see, her toes are clipped away because due to the fact that she don't do her toes on a regular basis, and how her toenails grow, it grows in a very U shape, which can allow fungus, bacteria in the nail and cause nail color to change, and one bag of things. So she needs to come and get her toes done as often as possible, and I don't mean like a month, 6 weeks. I don't mean like that. I think she needs to come every 2 to 3 weeks, 3 weeks being the maximum. But no, my bad client here does not hear. She just does not listen, but it's okay, I'll still work with her. So her toes, the nail extension came off, so crisis struck. That's when she decided that okay, she needs these toenails to be fixed, because she can't be walking around looking like this. No. So I do the regular stuff. I'm not going to do much talking. I might add some subtitles in there to show you guys what I'm doing, or because it's not gonna work. But yes guys, I just want to say, you already know what I'm about to say. I really do like the support that I'm getting these days. Thank you so very much. Even though it's not much, it's much to me. Like, come on. So yes guys, I hope you guys are having a awesome day. Don't forget to like, turn on your post notification just to see when I upload, subscribe to my channel, comment if you wish. And yes guys, have an awesome day. Peace. I'm out.